What happens if you do yoga for 20 minutes a day? Yoga connects your breath, body, and soul together. It is a practice that significantly improves your body's strength, flexibility, and balance. Did you know that just 20 minutes of yoga daily can unlock a lifetime of health and happiness? Yoga makes use of various physical postures, meditations, and breathing exercises. It is a gentle awakening for your mind. Deep breathing and slow movements increase blood flow and warm up your muscles. Plus, holding a pose is excellent for building strength. In this video, we will discover the 10 benefits if we dedicate 20 minutes of our daily lives to yoga. Let's go on ahead and find out. Number 1. Yoga exercises make your muscles longer and more flexible. Yoga involves a wide range of poses and stretches that target various muscle groups. These stretches are often held for extended periods and allow your muscles to lengthen gradually. Yoga improves your flexibility with time. Many yoga styles, such as vinyasa or power yoga, involve transitions between poses. These dynamic movements make your muscles strong by allowing them to contract and relax. Do you know that many yoga poses engage opposing muscle groups? This balanced approach is great for preventing imbalances and promoting muscle strength and flexibility. Number 2. Yoga is great for keeping you focused. Many yoga practices involve meditation and visualization techniques that require complete focus. These practices help your ability to sustain attention over time. Regular yoga increases your concentration levels and allows you to be fully present in the moment. A clear mind helps you tackle any challenges you are facing. Some yoga poses involve concentrating on a specific point. These poses help train your mind to focus on the task you are performing, whether it's holding any yoga pose or different kinds of daily activities. Number 3. Yoga improves mood and gives a positive feel. Regularly practicing yoga can reduce stress hormones, encouraging relaxation. You eventually start feeling more calm and easy. Yoga promotes mindfulness. You learn how to let go of worries. This gives you a more positive and content mindset. Various studies suggest that yoga increases the production of certain mood-boosting chemicals in your brain. These chemicals allow you to stay and feel happy and reduce anxiety and depression. Yoga encourages self-compassion and self-acceptance. Number 4. Yoga helps you get a better posture. One of the best things about yoga is that it is a balancing practice. Many yoga poses engage core muscles, including your abdominal and back muscles. Strengthening the core provides better support for the spine, which is very important for maintaining an upright posture. Yoga addresses your muscular imbalances, lengthens your tight areas, and strengthens your weak parts. Yoga makes you self-aware of your body and posture. This allows you to pay attention to how you sit, stand, and move throughout the day. Number 5. Having trouble sleeping? Yoga also helps in improving your sleep cycle. Yoga is like a lullaby for your body. It helps calm down the brain and promotes relaxation. This makes it easier for you to fall and stay asleep. Sometimes chronic pain and discomfort, such as back pain or muscle tension, are the main reasons for disturbed sleep cycles. Incorporating regular yoga practices into your routine can ease these aches, helping you sleep better. Number 6. All that gentle twisting and bending is good for your tummy. Many yoga poses involve gentle twisting and bending, which is great for stimulating your digestive organs. Yoga helps get rid of gastrointestinal issues such as bloating and diarrhea. Some other yoga practices, such as vinyasa or power yoga, are physically demanding and contribute to calorie burn. Combine yoga with a balanced diet to reduce excess fat around your belly. Number 7. Yoga is good for heart health. Yoga postures such as back bends are very effective in strengthening your heart muscles. Yoga asanas like stretching and relaxing enhance blood circulation throughout the body. Yoga significantly acts as a booster for your cardiovascular health. Some studies even suggest that yoga practitioners have better heart rate variability as compared to non-practitioners. Number 8. Yoga improves your athletic performance. Yoga improves your flexibility, which is very important for the prevention of injuries. Yoga does not only enhance your strength, particularly in the core, upper body, and legs. This provides you with better power and endurance. It sure does serve as a valuable complement to athletic training. Number 9. Yoga is a great workout for your joints. Yoga strengthens the muscles around your joints and helps to stabilize them. It is a perfect blend of gentle stretching, strengthening, and mindful practices that enhance your joint flexibility and provide better support. Number 10. Yoga also improves breathing. Different breathing techniques are one of the most vital parts of any yoga practice. These techniques help you control your breathing, and you get to learn how to use your lungs more fully. Yoga makes your lungs stronger and helps clear the nasal passages. Do you know that yoga can also serve as a natural option for people with asthma? While medications treat the condition, yoga can help individuals with asthma manage their symptoms. So guys, performing yoga exercises for 20 minutes every day is like opening a treasure chest filled with health and happiness. And who doesn't want that? Yoga is not a workout. It is a lifestyle. Yoga is a celebration of what your mind and body can achieve. It makes your body stronger and more flexible. Your mind becomes clearer and more focused than ever. Just roll out your yoga mat, put on some comfy clothes, and enjoy the countless benefits of yoga. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe for more.